Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream caramel with custard powder. First, let's gather our ingredients. For the caramel, you'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. For the custard, have ready 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of custard powder, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything measured out makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's create that beautiful caramel base. In a small saucepan, combine 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking without stirring until it transforms into a lovely, deep amber color. Immediately and carefully pour this hot caramel into 4 individual ramekins, tilting them to coat the bottom evenly. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard. In a bowl, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate small bowl, dissolve the 3 tablespoons of custard powder in a splash of the 2 cups of milk to form a smooth paste. Heat the remaining milk in a saucepan until it's warm, then gradually whisk in the egg mixture and the custard powder paste. Finally, it's time to bake our delicious dessert. Pour the custard mixture over the caramel in each ramekin. Place the ramekins in a baking dish and fill the dish with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes, or until the custard is just set. Once cooled, chill for at least 4 hours before carefully unmolding and serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.